Imagine launching a trading interface and really feeling sure of the broker you are utilizing. Finding the ideal Forex broker shouldn't be a gamble in 2024. However, it sometimes feels like that. Selecting a reliable broker can be like finding a needle in a haystack when hidden fees and untrustworthy systems abound at every turn. But not to worry, everything has been filtered to provide you the very finest Forex brokers. Are you ready to trade more wisely? Number 1. IC Markets. Imagine trading knowing you're receiving the greatest price available. Every pip counts. With their limited spread beginning from 0.0 pip, IC Markets offers that experience. For scalpers and day traders living for quick gains and exact movements, this makes them a preferred choice. Whether you use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader, you enjoy blazingly fast execution speeds, no delays, no requotes, just seamless trades. Tight spreads, meanwhile, are useless if your transactions do not execute immediately. IC Markets guarantees dependability and affordable prices, so you can act without passing up chances. Still, spreads are only the starting point. Suppose your first goal is to keep ahead of the market by means of real-time analysis. The broker ideal for you is coming next. Number 2. IG Markets. Regarding Forex trading, information is indeed power. Here, IG Markets excels, providing real-time information, world-class market analysis, and instructional videos. Whether your trading experience is new or seasoned, you will constantly be aware of market events. Through PC and mobile apps, the platform provides flawless trading, so you may carry your ideas with you wherever. When all the facts are at your hands, do you not feel more confident making a trade? IG Markets provides the tools you need to make wise judgments instead of guessing, just informed choices. Perhaps, though, research is not your thing and you want a broker who simplifies learning. The next one is simply for you. Number 3. XM. Perfect for novices using learning tools. XM is here to simplify Forex trading if it seems difficult. From free webinars to even personal coaching, they have created a learning ecosystem that simplifies everything from novice-friendly lectures. XM also has demo accounts where you can try things with virtual money until you're ready to trade for real if you're afraid about losing money. Ever wanted someone to just walk you methodically around the Forex universe? XM's simple tools help to flatten the learning curve, thereby resembling a smooth slide rather than an upward ascent. On the other hand, if you already know the foundations and wish for instruments allowing greater trading control, let's investigate the next choice. Number 4. MetaTrader Brokers. Ideal for advanced traders. Having the correct platform makes all the difference. If you have visited the Forex block a few times, customizable charts, powerful indicators, and automated trading tools available from MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 brokers help you create strategies appropriate for your approach. Would you like to design your own expert advisor or try a tactic? MetaTrader addresses you. When you could have professional level features right at hand, why settle for basic tools? Here's where seasoned traders excel. Use any possible instrument to hone their edge. Still, a good plan calls for a trustworthy broker. Assume your main worries are safety and control. Let us now discuss a broker designed with security first in mind. Number 5. Oanda, best for control and safety. Enough tension can come from trading without considering whether your money is safe. Strict rules in several areas help Oanda to address that issue by safeguarding your money and providing peace of mind. Their negative balance protection guarantees that if a trade fails, you won't lose more than you paid in. Knowing that your hard-earned money is in competent hands makes one feel better. Oanda lets you concentrate on your trading instead of stressing security issues. What then would happen if your starting money is limited? Next on track is a broker who offers reasonably priced trading. Number 6. eToro. Ideal for low minimum deposits. Forex allows you to start with just $50. You do not need millions of dollars. Their copy trading function also allows you to follow top traders and replicate their techniques if you are still developing your own trading approach. Learning from the greatest can help you to expand your portfolio and win wise. If you could trade boldly without running too much danger, it would be fantastic. eToro makes it feasible, hence, even if you are new to the game, you are not on your own. Still, what if your trading strategy calls for just one element? Let us discuss a broker that provides more than simply pairs of currencies. Number 7. Saxo Bank. Ideal for trading multi-assets. When you can explore several markets, why would you limit your transaction to one kind only from one interface? Saxo Bank provides equities, bonds, commodities, and Forex access. For traders who wish to keep flexible with their investments and diversify their portfolios, it is perfect. Would you not like the ability to move between markets whenever you so desire? For traders who object to restrictions, Saxo Bank has a strong all-in-one platform. Still, the most adaptable traders must control expenses. We will next show you a broker notable for low fees. Number 8. Pepperstone, ideal for spreads and low fees. If you want a broker who won't suck into your earnings with pointless fees, Pepperstone is ideal for that. Starting on their Razor account with low commissions and spreads of 0.0 pip, you will retain more of what you make. For aggressive traders especially, the fast execution rates improve performance. Could costs not be holding you back? How much more profitable would your transactions be? Every deal counts with Pepperstone, and your earnings remain where they belong, definitely in your pocket. Still, what happens when you need assistance? Next up is a broker with unparalleled customer service. Number 9. Interactive Brokers, greatest for customer service. Ever tried calling customer care only to find unresponsive answers or protracted wait times? Interactive Brokers allows one to relax about this. No matter where you live or what time it is, their support staff is renowned for being dependable, quick, and available around the clock. Whether it's configuring your account, fixing technical problems, or responding to in-depth trading inquiries, they offer straightforward, doable guidance to keep you ahead. Using several service channels like chat, phone, and email, Interactive Brokers goes above and above. If you have a difficult problem, they will gently guide you through it gradually. Grounded in the middle of a trade? Since in Forex every second counts, you will get fast, immediate assistance to make every second count. For people who would choose self-service, their broad expertise answers frequent questions without requiring help. Knowing that professional aid is just a click away would help you to relax. Interactive Brokers guarantees you never will be left stranded, regardless of your level of experience. Beginner looking for direction or professional handling of challenging transactions. But suppose you need more than simply outstanding support. If you want a broker that provides the whole package, including competitive spreads, reliable tools, and simple trading for all levels, what if you find one? Stay tuned because that is exactly what is ahead. Number 10. Forex.com, top all-around broker. Look no further than Forex.com if you wish a broker that fits all the criteria. This platform provides tight spreads, strong trading tools, and first-rate customer service all in one location. Forex.com fits everyone with simple interfaces and pro-level tools, regardless of skill level, just starting or seasoned professionals. Forex.com stands out mostly for its large collection of more than 80 currency pairs. You will discover everything you need to vary your transactions from majors like Euro and USD to exotic currencies. Furthermore, the sophisticated charting features of Forex.com simplify technical analysis compared to past times. Forex.com provides fast trade execution and a mobile app as equally potent as its desktop form in addition to tools. This allows you to keep an eye on the markets, change your trading strategy, and react to prospects wherever. Having what you need in one spot would be fantastic. Forex.com allows one to avoid jumping between platforms and avoid missing out. Having everything at your hands will help you to have a seamless, quick trading path and profitably. Knowing the top brokers for 2024, which one will you choose now? So that's the rundown. Finding a reliable broker could be a daunting task, but it gets much less so with the correct advice. There is a broker on this list that will meet your requirements, whether they are minimal fees, innovative trading tools, or great customer service. Inform us in the space provided for comments. Make 2024 the most successful year by making smart choices and trading smart.